The arrival of the Aryans in the subcontinent marks the most significant event in its ancient history. The term Aryans refers to a foreign people. This group entered South Asia from Central Asia around 500 BCE, displacing the indigenous, Dravidian population and establishing their own control. The Aryans entered northern India through the northwestern mountain passes. They resided in the Indus Valley for an extended period before spreading into the fertile plains of the Ganga and Yamuna rivers. Initially, the Aryan lifestyle was very simple. They lived in small villages, consisting of a few families. The majority of them were nomadic and unfamiliar with urban civilization. However, after settling in India, they learned a great deal from the local inhabitants. They began building permanent homes and settling down. The mutual cooperation and unity among the Aryans were remarkable. Their trust in each other was so profound that they didn't even lock their shops and houses. Socially, they were divided into different classes or Varnas: Brahmin, Kshatriya, Vaishya, and Shudra. The Aryans worshipped elements present in the natural environment. Their prominent deities included Surya, the sun, Agni, fire, and Indra, rain/thunder. Their most important religious text was the Rigveda. Over time, their beliefs evolved into what is now known as Hinduism. It's our responsibility to continue their story beautifully, so stay connected with me. Subscribe today and press the bell icon.